So to sum up, the Carpuride is fantastic if you're looking to have Apple Play fitted into your vehicle that doesn't actually have it as standard from the manufacturer. It has all the features you need. It also does the Android version of Apple Play, which I don't know what it's called, to be perfectly honest, because we use iPhones.
Touchscreen, wireless, Bluetooth, USB, takes a TF card, voice controls, charger port, and it also works with a reversing camera. But I've not even opened the box yet, because what I wanted to do was, it claims it takes less than 5 minutes to set this piece of kit up. So
have they met us?
Let's see. Well, you know, I mean, it says
right.
It's got...
So we need to get a timer on this, don't we? If it says 5 minutes, I'm fully expecting 5 minutes.
Okay.
So, ready, steady, go.
5 minutes then, okay. So, out the box. As you can see, we've not even looked at this just yet. So it goes into here, which is there, and then the power in is there. So let's turn it on. So you can see we've got light on power there. Up we go. So first time turning on, and as ever, haven't read the instructions, straight to it. So you can see we've got iPlay, Auto AirPlay, Auto Link, all these little settings. It'll run from an SD card, so you can put your music in, or a USB pen. So I think what I'll do is link it to my phone. That it will turn on there, but without reading the instructions. I know we're against the clock, but there we are, let's read the instructions.
Public announcement. Paul is actually going to read some instructions for a change. He never reads instructions. This is a big moment.
So power on. If the power on, short press is... Yeah, so initially it looks pretty good. You know, within 3 minutes or so it's up and running. It's got me Google Maps to return home. It's got my phone set so I can make and receive phone calls with it. I've played the radio already, so yeah. And I mean, it's a fairly lightweight piece of kit, but obviously it'll need work to get working with the rear view camera, sat nav and so forth. You know, I'll look at doing that, but as it stands, if we put this up there, we can get rid of the rear view camera and the sat nav. It really does take the place of everything. And if we wanted to be really clever, I could probably wire it in and it would take the place of that. You know, in essence, that's your new upgrade. It seems to do everything. You know, it's got Siri, wallpaper. Oh, Siri's there now. Goodbye, Siri.
Oh, so you can Hey Siri it, can you?
Hey, Siri. What's the time?
It's 14:28.
14:28. I think because it's working off of my phone. It's saying it's got 4G.
Mm-hmm.
So it's actually linked to my phone, which is what you class as the Carplay.
Yeah.
You know, it's got all of your essentials there.
And you can add more.
And you can add more.
Plumbing, because we've got cigarette lighter
in there. Yeah.
in there. There we go.
There we go. It's
Goes
coming
on. And connects to Paul's phone.
Yep, it connects to the phone. So what this unit does to simplify everything is it adds iPlay. So it gives you the functionality of your phone in this unit. So in the absence of a phone, it won't work. You'll still have like the USB, the card player and so forth, but everything that runs on here, the maps and so forth, is reliant on the connection on your phone. So you need data, you need your phone to be charged, you need to have a phone that's capable of Bluetooth and also engaging with iPlay. So it's a good little unit, but it does rely on your data.
So we've got a 5-hour drive and we're going to be using our Carpuride to get us home. So let's see how that goes. I mean, it's using Google Maps, so it's right up to date. And it's got a lovely big screen, hasn't it?
It's got a big screen, it shows more than your sat nav.
Yes.
It gives you the next turn.
Yep.
All the information.
Yep, you've got your arrival time, how long it's going to take, and how many miles you've got left to do. Yeah,
Speed limit.
Speed limit, yep, that's important.
How slow I should be going.
So we're just going into a 40. Is it going to change? It's changed to a 60.
No, back to a 40.
Back to a 40. All right. It had a little juggle there, but you got it right. So yeah. I mean, it's a lovely big screen. It's very clear to look at, isn't it? So we've tried listening to the radio on it, but we really would need to tune it into our speakers because otherwise it's a bit tinny, as you would expect. So that's probably a job for another day.
Hey Siri, message Sam.
What do you want to say to them?
We're on our way home.
It says, we're on our way home.
Send.
Done.
Oh, message from Sam.
Hey Siri, read message.
Sam said, okay, what time are you back? Would you like to reply?
Yes, reply.
We thought it was great, beautiful, crisp, clear screen, great for messaging, great for hands-free. We thought it was very good. Now, its downside, and I'm going to say what its downside is: signal. If you live in an area like us, or have just visited an area like us, that signal is very poor, then you're going to struggle. It relies on you having very good signal all the time. So if you live in a city with good, strong 5G, buy it. Perfect. Absolutely fantastic piece of kit to have in your van. If you live somewhere like us, where it's a little bit patchy, or you travel to places that it's a little bit patchy, or you travel abroad and you're going to be relying on using data, perhaps this is not for you. But otherwise, if you're looking for Apple CarPlay, I would definitely give this a look. So all the details are going to be in the description below. Have a look and see what you think. But yeah, nice piece of kit.